Hi everyone, are you interested in the same custom parts that I built for cruise missile? Don't forget to check out supercruises.com if you would like your own versions of the same parts I used on my car.
Okay, so one thing I've had people bother me about over the last couple of years was how to get this off. Basically, you're going to slide this white clip over, push in on the connector toward the valve, squeeze the white clip, and then the connector pops right off. A lot of people have trouble getting this thing out of here. And then you have your 3 bolts on the valve.
So if you look right here, there's a notch. That same notch is on this valve.